Hello and welcome everyone to yet another episode of my playthrough of Arnhem 44, Armies and Alliances, and this is the German combat phase of turn 3. Now, something interesting happened. I haven't actually completed the entire combat phase yet, but something interesting happened here. These two German units attacked these two infantry units, but those were supported defensively by two Allied artillery units. So all in all, I suppose that wasn't a very good idea. This was the result, and that's basically why I'm recording this video. Well, you can see everything here. The Allies also, in addition, played a card in support of this combat, which I've actually put here as well. The end result was a 2-hit differential. But if you look at the rules, and this is something from my player aid, which you can also find on Board Game Geek, you can see here that when one side scores at least 4 hits, which is what the Allies did here, you have to take 2 step losses anyway, regardless of the hit differential. So in this case, there are actually 2 hits of a difference. So they simply do take 2 hits, that is the Germans. But had it been like this, for instance, you would normally expect them to have to take 1 hit, but because of that rule that trumps the basic rule, you have to take 2 hits anyway. So that's the important thing here, and I guess all in all it wasn't a very good choice for the Germans. The other attacks still need to take place. Still have to remove the German casualties, by the way, as well, and score victory points for them. Other combats that are going to happen here, these 3 German units are going to attack this airborne infantry. These 3 German units are going to attack these 2 airborne units, which are going to be supported by this artillery unit here. This one is going to support this infantry unit here, which is going to be attacked by a pretty massive attack, I would say, by the SS infantry, the recon unit, this artillery, and that artillery over there. And this one is going to be in support of that one. But it's going to be tough on the Allies, that battle, especially because the Germans have also added a combat card to well, that's actually to this attack, so it's to a different attack, but still. It's always good to play at least 2 cards per turn, because you can play more anyway, per game turn that is, and which will basically usually mean that you have 5 cards left at the end of the complete turn. In Nijmegen, I'm actually not going to do much as usual, so that's why I put those red arrows over there, meaning that there's not going to be any attack. As I've explained more often, that would be a very bad idea, because infantry attacking is pretty weak, but infantry defending a city is very strong, so you really don't want to run the risk of losing any steps in a counterattack. Same thing basically here. Defending infantry is much stronger than attacking infantry, so no attack. And here too, even though defending artillery isn't very strong, they do probably get some kind of support from the town or whatever, so I decided not to try that one out either. And apart from that, actually, there are not going to be any other attacks. So thank you for watching, and I hope this clears up some possible rules doubts you might have had about how the combat results table works. And you're also up to speed again with the attacks the Germans are going to make. So again, thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.